welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today Aunty will be cooking air-fried honey chicken wing with pineapple rice. So come, let's join Aunty. Alright, before I move on, I would like to show you that Aunty is using this conventional oven. It works the same as air fryer. If you don't have this conventional oven, you might as well can use your air fryer. It works the same. Alright, so these are the chicken wing that Aunty need. I want to marinate this with all these ingredients, sugar, and then shallot, some garlic, lemongrass, black pepper, and of course salt and Ajinomoto to taste, as well as thick soya sauce. I use brand Camel. I'm gonna peel off the skin and then pound it, and then I'm gonna marinate this chicken wing. I leave it to marinate for about 4 hours. Then later on, I will use this air fryer to air fry the chicken wing. Okay, stay tuned guys. So these are the chicken wing I'm gonna marinate. So this is how the chicken wing has been marinated. I marinate this one for about 4 hours. I left it soaked in brine for about 4 hours, and now I'm going to go on with the process. So stay tuned guys. Now I take it out from the brine. Start air frying for 20 minutes at the 200 degrees Celsius. So stay tuned guys. Alright, it has been 20 minutes and I'm going to turn the chicken wing. Carry this thing up. First, I'm going to turn the chicken wing and let it continue to air fry later on. Alright, continue. Okay. Turn on to another 20 minutes. Let it continue to air fry. Alright, it's cooked already. That's how it looks like. Wow. Oh, so yummy. So, it's cooked. It's done. Okay, it's time to glaze the chicken wing with honey. This is honey. It's cooked already. Okay, we glaze it one by one. Ooh, this is delicious. So this is air fried honey chicken wing. Once it's cooked, you will glaze it with honey. Okay, I'm using butter. I fried the rice with butter. Get in the garlic. Okay, I add in the pineapple. And chicken cubes, I already crushed. Okay, add in the rice. Alright. Nice. Put in a bit of the sauce. Alright. And then you stir. That's nice. The fragrance of the pineapple enhance the flavor of this pineapple rice. Alright, I add in these nuts, cashew nuts. Alright, stir fry for a while, and that's it. Alright, very simple. Done. Switch off the flame. Okay friends, this is the ending of Auntie's cooking. Air-fried honey chicken wing with pineapple rice. Okay, now I pour in the honey, sprinkle on the chicken wing so that it will taste good. That's it. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye. See you in the next video. May God bless all.